Aloha and welcome to Paia, where we are starting our road to Hana today. This is the time that you gas up and grab some breakfast, which is what we're doing now. Go to the restroom because the road to Hana, there's stops along the way. Super windy and stuff, super looking forward to it. We're actually staying in Hana for 2 days. I have a book that I bought from Amazon. I'll have to post it here. And it's been really, really helpful. And everything that I've read says you really just try to stay in Hana if you can, and don't rush the road. Like, don't expect to have dinner reservations later that night because it is super duper windy, and some people get really stressed out about it. So hopefully we won't be stressed out because we're taking our time, and so you're going to join us for this adventure. That was stop 1 in mile marker 2. I'm currently watching where I go because that was where the first waterfall is, and it's rocky, but it's worth it.
If you're susceptible to motion sickness, I suggest 2 things. Take a turn at being the driver, or if you can't do that, you'll want to avoid reading anything while we're moving.
I'm currently at mile marker 12.2. This is a great place to stop and the only restrooms you'll find along the way. I also suggest that you download an app called Gypsy Guide. It has been so useful along the way. It'll tell you all the little stops, but I also have that guidebook that I'm using also. So you have to make that turn off to go down when you follow the guidebooks, and around mile marker 16. And we went and got Aunt Sandy's banana bread. Now, I do not like bananas. Typically, I do not like banana bread, but I like this one. And in front of us, you will see video in a few seconds. It's amazing. These massive waves are breaking against these rocks and sending up spray. It's gorgeous. Hana, you're going to find all kinds of stops and vendors. This gentleman is making Huli chicken, which we've heard so much about. If I had smell-o-vision for you, oh my goodness, it smells so good. So we're actually going to stop here and get some chicken. It looks delicious. It comes with rice and veggies. What do you think?
Oh, this is the bomb.
It is absolutely delicious. If you're vegetarian, well then you're out of luck because they only have ribs and chicken. But
and you know who we're talking to.
It's really good. This beach is amazing. The water isn't super cold. It's chilly when you first get in. The thing is I'm used to the Gulf of Mexico. These are some massive waves, and the suction of the undertow is pretty heavy. So I didn't go all the way in, but you might want to just at least dip your feet in the water. There's no lifeguard here, so if you get sucked out to sea, kind of on your own. So yeah, but we did go in a little bit. Welcome to the Hana Maui Resort, now owned by Hyatt. We use points to stay here. We're going to be here for 2 nights. We're waiting for our room, so in the meantime, we're going to hang out at the pool. I'm going to end this vlog here because we're going to be doing a day just hanging out here, and then we have the road to Hana back, and we do have reservations at the Black Sand Beach for Friday. So that'll be on the way back to the airport. We are taking an overnight red-eye flight. So let's end things here. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.